Class 4 English Marigold Unit 6 Hiawatha Explanation in Mizo. Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother, Nokomis, in a wigwam. Hiawatha chu red Indian mi panopang ania. Api upato tak Nokomis inen wigwama an cheng duna. Nokomis told Hiawatha about the wonders around them. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Api Nokomis chuan Hiawatha chu abulvela thil makro pui chanchinte azirtir thina arsi chanchinte ashila thingkung chanchinte rannung chanchinte sava chanchinte le thildang dang chanchinte ashil thinani. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. Hiawatha chuan chung zong zong chu mangai tak chungin athang liana sava te le ramsa te chu abithaya anni po in ama chu an beve bok thina. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language. Chuti chuan Hiawatha ate takte chuan savatin te tong chu athiam ta a. Learned their names and all their secrets. An hming tele an thuruk te a shev veka. How they build their nests in summer. Nipui lain engtin nge an buk an sakti te. Where they hid themselves in winter. Klasika khoya nge an biruk ti te. Talk with them whenever he met them. Anni chu amu apiangin abetrina. Called them Hiawatha's chickens. Hiawatha a arte te ti in akava. Of all beasts, he learned the language. Ramsa te zong zong athiama. Learned their names and all their secrets. An ming le an thuruk te a sheveka. How the beavers built their lodges. Beavers then an buk an sakdante. Where the squirrels hid their acorns. Chepa in athing semim ada chat na munte. How the reindeer ran so swiftly. Reindeer sakhi chaktaka atlan dante. Why the rabbit was so timid. Sajupui chu engwangin nge a in thlashun em ti te. Talk with them whenever he met them. Amu apiangin anni chu abetrina. Called them Hiawatha's brothers. Hiawatha unaw pate ti in akova. New words. Wigwam buk te chikhat achip kum emo achip zum thingchang le phairuang chilkho matanga ansiam. Beavers tuile khomwala chengchi North America le Eurasia marlama ramsa chikhat thinghi ahain areka arek tu thina luya tui khwa na siamna na mangthin heng tui khwa na le dan na hi ama tina theitu ransa le ramsa dang laka inven himnan amang thina ni achunga hianin buk asiam thina ni. Acorn ok thingra pian mang sol pit pet nei chuan achunga hian ara hi a om a he hi ei theya tingsemim te ne nei nang dewani a pian mang hi. Reindeer sakhilian chi Eurasia le North America a om anu le apa te hian ki zar liam pui an nei ve ani. Eurasian reindeer te hi an vul thina vura tolna hnuk tu a te an hmanga anu te tuyan sora asan ei bok thin. Timit in thlashung zakzum